3 puzzles are done and it's time for the 4th cube puzzle. Let's start with the solution. Let me untangle this fast from the rubber band. Now we have a 7 Tetris shape and we will start arranging to make a perfect cube. So first two we will make a small square. Let's take the Z, put it in between. Now we will take the L shape. Okay, you want to rotate it? Okay, not this way, yeah, other way, not this way, put it other way. Yes, this is the correct way. Okay, turn up, yeah. So now we can see that our square is getting formed. This is the T and we will put it there, and this small L we will exactly fit in between. Okay, and this is our perfect cube. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Payazee channel. Thank you. Bye bye.